You want better lighting? Buy the best bulbs on Amazon and do it yourself. This is a quick overview of the best LED lights you can buy on Amazon that will make your neighbors drool. After countless hours of YouTube videos and internet scrolling, I finally went with the Burntworks LED light bulbs. As a woodworker and content creator, I wanted something bright enough that would light up my whole shop from all angles. This package included everything I needed. They came with all the wires, clips, screws necessary. The only thing I had to get was these round little covers that I could poke the wire through after taking the light down. Make sure to click on the description box below to see the full list of items that I've needed in this project, along with the lights themselves. The description is awesome on these lights. They give you all sorts of recommendations for square footage, how many lights you'll need for the amount of square footage or whatever type shop or garage that you have. The one thing I would pay attention to when you scroll down here is going to be the color temperature, which is on the Kelvin scale, which you can see right here. In the middle, you kind of have that yellow. You go too far, like in the 6,000, 7,000 Kelvin, you get more of a blue light. I wanted that white light, so I went with 5,000 Kelvin. And don't just take it from me. Look at all the reviews. Every single review has awesome things to say about these lights, and great pictures of how people have installed them in their shop. They have screws and clips that are super easy to use. You screw them up, and all you gotta do is push the light on, and it grips the sides of the light, holds it on nicely. They have little connectors to connect the lights together, so you don't have to just wire up one light after another. You can just slip them together. Make sure to stay to the end, click on the card above, or open the linked video in the description below for a complete walkthrough for installation. Not only do we want bright light, but we want it to be nice and clean. Make sure to click the link in the description below to figure out what light package of Burntworks is going to work best in your garage. For this situation, we had a 4-car garage, completely dimly lit with 2 garage doors. And this is how it turned out.